Okay, this is the backs of the Batwings. This is the Nevis 16-inch sandbar stag, Daggar Blade. If you're wondering why I'm doing this, is pretty much just for insurance and just for the hell of it, because I love these knives. The back of the scales of the sandbar stags. Look at that scale, boy. He just does beautiful work. Back scale of the dark horn. All certificates are showing the front. Back scale of the French bovine horn, just beautiful wisps. Then the ebony wood. This ebony wood is so rare, only 6 were produced. I own 3. Another ebony wood. Back scale of this one. And we're moving on to the dark horn. That's my first one. And another dark horn, and of course the magnificent Chris. I do like Chris blades. They're beautiful. Enjoy. Take it easy. If you get a chance to get any Batwings or any AKC knives, do so. Angelo does the best work around. Later on,